What?
I know.
Ay.
Can you see through shook his head and he said with a smile, but I'd really like
Wow.
to follow the car keys. See you later, can I have them please? And the cat's in the cradle and the silver spoon, little boy blue, the man in the moon. When you're coming home, well I don't know when we'll get together then. You know we'll have a good time then.
It's amazing what you can do with 5 gallons of gas.
Oh, the smell.
Time the sun flew away. Told him up just the other day. Said he'd love to see you if you don't mind. They're nice talking to you, Dad. They're nice talking to you. And as he hung up the phone, it occurred to me, you don't look just like me. My boy is just like me.
Yeah.
And the cat's in the cradle.